Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Epicurious mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a practical tool for home cooks who want trusted recipes and smart kitchen tools. Epicurious is available on iOS and Android and is known for offering professionally tested recipes from Bon Appetit and other reputable sources. The app includes thousands of recipes with clear instructions and beautiful photos, plus it allows users to search by cuisine, ingredient, dietary needs, and even skill level. Many recipes include user ratings and reviews that help guide your choices. The mobile app also offers features like a smart shopping list and voice-controlled cooking guidance to keep your hands free while you follow a recipe. One strength of Epicurious is the recipe quality. Because the content is curated by professional chefs and editors, the instructions are usually precise and reliable. It's also well organized for meal planning and shopping. However, the app does have limitations. The interface can be a bit outdated compared to newer apps, and some users have noted occasional bugs and lag. Also, not all content is free. Some features require linking with a Condé Nast subscription or using their website for full access. Overall, Epicurious is a dependable app for high-quality recipes and kitchen planning, especially for those who prefer professionally curated content over community submissions. But the app may feel limited or slow for users expecting more modern tools and customization. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, please refer to the email in the description.